What if I told you there's a tool most hackers scroll past? The ones who understand it, they quietly win. No flashy exploits, no Hollywood hacking, just pure leverage. Today we're talking about OpenClaw, what it is, why it matters in cybersecurity, and why ignoring it might be slowing you down. And stick with me till the end, because I'll show you where OpenClaw fits in real-world hacking workflows and what you should learn next if you want to break into bug bounties in 2026. Oh, and no, this isn't another top 10 tools video. This one's different. If you're into hacking, red teaming, or cybersecurity, hit subscribe now so YouTube actually shows you the good stuff. Chapter 1. What is OpenClaw? Let's start simple. Let me stop you right here. This is not another AI that just talks. OpenClaw actually acts. Think about that for a second. Most AI tools, they give advice. OpenClaw, it executes. Imagine an AI that doesn't just suggest a workflow, but actually runs it on your machine. Yeah, that changes things. In hacking and cybersecurity, that means one thing: speed, recon, data sorting, repetitive security tasks, all the boring stuff humans mess up at 2 a.m. OpenClaw can handle locally. No cloud, no third-party servers. Your data stays with you. And that's where hackers start paying attention. Because once an AI can manage emails, automate workflows, or handle coding tasks, the line between assistant and operator starts to blur. Quick reality check though. This isn't beginner-friendly. If you don't know what you're doing, OpenClaw won't hold your hand. It's more like, here are the controls. Good luck. Which, let's be honest, is exactly how hackers like it. Now here's the part people aren't talking about yet. What happens when tools like this become standard inside security teams? We're not there yet, but we're closer than most people think. Keep that thought because the next part gets very interesting. Chapter 2. Daily use of OpenClaw in cybersecurity. Let's talk real life. Imagine you're a SOC analyst, red teamer, bug bounty hunter, or just a hacker grinding at 2 a.m. You're dealing with repeated scans, log analysis, payload testing, workflow chaining. This is where OpenClaw shines. Use case number 1. Automation. Instead of running the same commands manually, OpenClaw lets you chain tasks logically. Scan to filter, to test, to report without babysitting your terminal. And no, this doesn't make you lazy. It makes you dangerous. Use case number 2. Research and experimentation. Security researchers use OpenClaw to test hypotheses, repeat experiments, reduce human error. Because real hacking isn't guessing, it's controlled repetition. Use case number 3. Blue team and defense. Yes, defenders use it too. Log correlation, threat simulation, response automation. Cybersecurity isn't red versus blue anymore. It's automation versus chaos. If you've ever said, "Why am I doing this manually again?" Congratulations, you're ready for OpenClaw. If this is already changing how you think, drop a like. It tells YouTube this video is worth finishing. But OpenClaw isn't perfect, and if you misuse it, it can actually hurt your skills. Let's talk pros and cons. Chapter 3. Pros and cons of OpenClaw. Pros: saves massive time, reduces human error, scales with experience, encourages structured thinking. OpenClaw trains you to think like an engineer, a researcher, a professional hacker, not just a script kiddie. Cons: important. Steep learning curve, not beginner-friendly. Easy to over-automate, can weaken fundamentals if abused. If you automate before you understand, you're not hacking. You're just pressing buttons confidently. Tools don't make hackers. Mindset does. OpenClaw amplifies whatever skill level you already have. If you're wondering what to learn next after OpenClaw, your next video should be Bug Bounty for Beginners 2026 Roadmap. That video breaks down skills, tools, learning order, and how real hackers actually get paid. Subscribe for more new cybersecurity videos every week. And watch the next video, because that's where things get real.